Everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today is our third lecture on genetics. So today we are understand most important topic of genetics, chromosomal theory of inheritance. So let's start chromosomal basis of inheritance. The chromosomal theory of inheritance and sex chromosome. The chromosomal theory of inheritance describes the how transmission of chromosome account for the Mendelian pattern of inheritance. Means chromosome theory of inheritance provide to explain how to cellular transmission of chromosome passes genetic material from parents to offspring. It is also explained that inherited trait controlled by genes and genes are located on the chromosome. In 1902, Walton, Schutten and Worbury explained the theory of chromosome. The chromosome theory of inheritance based on the few fundamental principles. First, chromosome contain genetic material. Genet- and genetic material is also known as genetic determinant, means genes, that is transmitted from parent to offspring. Second is chromosome are replicate and passes along generation after generation from parents to offspring. Third is the nuclei of most eukaryotic cells contain chromosomes that are found in the homologous pair, means they are diploid. One member of each pair inherited from mother and other from father. At the meiosis, one of the two members of each pair segregate into one daughter nucleus and other is segregate into the different daughter nucleus. Therefore, gamete contain one set of chromosomes. There are haploid. Fourth is during the gamete formation, different type of chromosomes segregate independently of each other. Each parent contribute one set of chromosome to its offspring. So let's discuss about diagram. Heterozygote capital T small t diploid cell from tall plant. During metaphase first and meiosis first, after completion of meiosis first, haploid gamete after completion of meiosis second. Segregation of homologous chromosome during the meiosis explain mental law of segregation. During the first meiotic division, homologous chromosome pair, one of the homologous come from the mother and other come from the father. And the anaphase first meiotic division, the pair of chromosomes segregate and move opposite pole of the cells. One carry allele capital T and other carries capital small t. The physical separation of two chromosomes segregate the allele from each other. Eventually, they will be reside to different daughter cells. Mendel principle of segregation is therefore based on the separation of homologous chromosomes during the anaphase of first meiotic division. I hope you understand these diagrams. And let's discuss about the Mendel established two principles for the transmission of genetic material. First is Mendel law of segregation. It also can explain by the homologous pairing of and segregation of chromosome during the meiosis. Second is Mendel law of independent assortment can be explained by the relative behavior of different non-homologous chromosomes during the meiosis. Women have 46 chromosomes. 42 is autosomal, 2 is a sex chromosome. Male contain one is X and one is Y chromosome. Their term is called heterogamete. Female have two X chromosomes. Their term is called homogamete. Then Y chromosome determine maleness in case of women. In some insect, male are XO and female is XX. In other insect, fruit fly is example. Male are the XY and female is XX. In case of woman, is Y chromosome is determine the maleness. In case of insect, Y chromosome does not determine maleness. Rather, it is also ratio between the X chromosome and the number of set of autosomal X upon A. X upon A is equal to 0.5 is fly become male. X upon A is equal to 1.0, the fly become is female. Transmission of genes located on the human sex chromosome. Genes that are found on one of the two type of sex chromosome but not on both term sex linked. In needed sex linked X linked term to be used synonymously. Male have only one copy of X chromosome. They are said to be hemizygous for their X linked gene. Genes that are found in the Y chromosome is called halodendric genes. Their X and Y chromosomes also contain short region of homology at the one end. These promote necessary pairing of the two chromosomes in meiosis first of spermatogenesis. Second, few genes found in the homologous region follow the pseudo-autosomal pattern of inheritance. These inheritance pattern in the same as that gene are found in the autosomal. X inactivation. X inactivation involves three steps. First step is chromosomal counting, determining number of X's in the cell. Second is selection of X for inactivation. Third is inactivation itself. Fact of X inactivation involve tight condension of extra X chromosome into where bodies occur randomly within the cells, no preference between maternal and parental derived X chromosome.